We are developing North America's largest and most advanced natural graphite project from ore to lithium-ion batteries. With our partner Caterpillar, we are currently developing the first all-electric open-pit mine to produce a carbon-neutral graphite. From its design to its construction today, our Matawini project is developed with the highest standards to minimize its environmental footprint. We are proud to contribute to the regional socio-economic development, notably thanks to a collaboration agreement with the local municipality, targeted initiatives to maximize First Nation participation, and business, training, and employment opportunities. We can now confirm the carbon-neutral status of all our operations since the inception of Nouveau Monde, a commitment that we will keep as we grow. Green battery materials to power the energy revolution.